Tombstone area traffic, Sky Lane 19908 Mike, taking runway 6 for the back taxi for a 24 departure Tombstone traffic. Heading back from Tombstone, Arizona, back to Scottsdale. We're back taxiing on the runway right now. There's really no taxiway, just the runway. So we drive down the runway as if it's a taxiway, and we turn around at the end and we take off into the wind. Engine instruments look normal, cylinder head temperature, oil temperature, pressure is normal. Airspeed's alive. 55. 60, rotate. And we're up and away. Tombstone area traffic, Sky Lane 19908 Mike, on the departure leg, runway 24 for a northwest departure, Tombstone traffic. We're just going to fly this heading until we clear those ridges by like 1,000 feet, and then we'll make a right-hand turn. Tombstone traffic, Sky Lane 19908 Mike, departing the area to the northwest. Last call, Tombstone traffic. Do our cruise climb here, go back to 2400 RPM, top of the green for the manifold pressure. We'll go ahead and climb around 90. Tucson approach, Sky Lane 19908 Mike, do you copy?
19988 Mike, Tucson approach, altimeter 3005, say request.
3005 for 19908 Mike, like to pick up VFR flight following to Scottsdale, level 10,500, just about 35 miles southeast of you.
November 908 Mike, verify you said you're at Sky Lane?
Affirmative, Sky Lane 19908 Mike.
Tucson approach, Skyhawk 21272 request.
November 908 Mike, squawk 4253.
4253, 19908 Mike.
November 272, Tucson approach, standby. Alaska 641, contact Albuquerque Center 125.4.
185-4, Alaska 641, have a good day.
You too.
Arch, good afternoon, Southwest 4563, 4.5 for 17,000 on our 140 heading.
South 4563, Tucson departure radar contact, turn right direct Gila Bend, resume on navigation.
Right direct Gila Bend, on nav, Southwest 4563.
006 Romeo, resume on navigation to the south.
Nav, and we'll be going southeast for now, sir, 06 Romeo.
006 Romeo, sounds good. November 908 Mike, radar contact to 5 miles northeast of Apache Peak.
908 Mike, position checks.
November 272, say request.
Skyhawk 21272, we're about 18 miles to the west with Foxtrot, inbound with Dobson.
November 272, roger, make right traffic, runway 11 right, at or above 4,000.
We're getting about 125 knots across the ground, so
Tucson approach, Cessna 4.
about 20 knots slower than on the way down there.
Turn to Drib to do another.
Wonder if this coffee's still warm.
6 right at Ryan.
4768 Echo, Tucson departure, IDAN, altimeter 3005.
It's not, but it still tastes good.
3005.
All right, everybody, thanks for joining us on the way back from Tombstone, Arizona today. Swapped some seats. We got Dad in the front. We saw an Old West shootout. Saw some guys get killed. Had a good time. We weren't the ones getting shot at, so that was nice. So flight path back. Here's Tucson. Going to take us in a gentle line to the right, so it would take us right over Mount Lemmon. However, I'm going to elect to go just outside of the Charlie airspace of Tucson over here, just to kind of stay on the outer fingers of it so we don't fly right over the highest point, just so we don't get any mountain wake turbulence off that.
006 Romeo radar service.
And then after that we'll go direct on course and we'll talk to Phoenix Approach and ask them if they'd rather us do the Bravo transition or if we come in from the east over Gateway and Falcon Field like we done last year.
Tango Tucson departure.
Okay.
Stay altitude to your radar.
Alright, let's do some old style navigation. I know we only tune in the Willie VOR 113.3. 113.
Flying Tucson approach, say again.
0.3. Roughly 3002 is what we should be following. So what I've done here is I've tuned in the Mesa Gateway VOR, and the Mesa Gateway VOR is pretty much straight ahead of us in, several miles. Well, I don't know, over 100 miles. And we're going to be flying roughly the 300 inbound course, so the 300 degrees 2. And so I've dialed 300, we're getting the 2. And now you just are supposed to intercept this line. If we were to intercept this line, it's going to take you chase it, right? So if we were to go right, you'll see we'll come closer to it. But I'm trying to stay to the west of these mountains here. Go this way. But I can tell us which radar we are on 02. So we are on the... So there's 3-3, so that's 3-1. We're on the 315. Well, roughly the 310 radial to the Willie Vortac, which is at Mesa Gateway. If we stay on this, follow it, we'll hit the VOR. This is how Poppy navigated. Well, when he was in the Air Force, this was brand new. Nowadays, no one uses it. So there's Davis-Monthan Air Force Base, the airfield right here on the right, and on the left is the Tucson Airport. So here's the boneyard, these big things with all the lines over there. That's the boneyards.
Okay, we made it back. All right, everybody, thanks for joining us on our flight today. We just came back from Tombstone, Arizona. We're back in Scottsdale. Had the wonderful 9.8 mic, awesome 182, super fast. We had a 150 knot ground speed, at least on the descent, fighting a headwind, so it was pretty great. Had a fun time watching the shootout to the OK Corral. Thanks for...
It was nice. Yeah, the right people were killed.
Yes, we weren't the ones killed, it was the bad guys, so that's good. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button and share with a friend who you think might like it. Thanks for watching.